Hey guys, welcome back. So I had a couple of people ask me, videotape the snowstorm you're getting. Well, it was a bad one, guys. I don't know how I'm going to even shovel out from this. You ready to see what it's like? Sit down because you might fall over. We got a ton of snow. Look at all that snow. Look, you can even see the road. Come on now. Look at this crap. Snow. This is why you can't you can't cancel plans when you hear from the weathermen. They're always wrong. They don't know what they're talking about. Alright guys, well, really wasn't a snowstorm, but give it a little twist. Make you anticipate what's going on. Alright, so you guys all have a good day. Snowstorm? Blah. Bye guys.